While connecting the Google Play service to PUBG or BGMI Mobile, if you encounter this issue called Google Play Services version unusable, I'll show you 2 quick tricks that will fix Google Play Service version unusable for your PUBG or BGMI game. So let's get started. Solution 1. Make sure to have a stable internet connection and stability. Open Setting, scroll down, tap Additional Setting, scroll down, tap the Developer Options, scroll down, enable Wi-Fi scan throttling. Also, active the Always Mobile Data if you are using mobile data. Solution 2. Remove software bugs for Google service. Open Setting, scroll down, tap Apps, tap Manage App, find out Play Service app, tap on it. Come down here, tap Clear Data, tap Manage Space, tap Clear All Data, tap OK. Solution 3. Update apps from Google. Open your browser, tap Search, type Google Play Service. Come over here. Now try to update the app from here. After following these 3 steps, you'll be able to solve your Google Play Service version unusable issues on Android. Now, if you still have issues, please ask me in the comment section. Thanks for watching.